After 1 year of vaccinations, they have shown the world that they can be safe and effective in stopping the coronavirus, stopping people from getting the coronavirus. But also, if they do get the coronavirus, it means that their illness will be much less severe. So it's a very important thing to get vaccinated. We want more people here in Madagascar to feel safe and free from the danger of the coronavirus. Right now, the 4% of the population is vaccinated. We need to get that number up much higher, closer to what we're seeing elsewhere in the region, where other countries have as many as 60% of the population vaccinated. We actually have a lot of free vaccines to give out right now in Madagascar, and so we're working as quickly as we can through programs like this to get people vaccinated quickly. It takes a real community effort to do this. We need the community leaders, we need the leaders of the country, and we need the international community to all play a part in making all of this happen. One important step that we can take right now, or that I should say that the Madagascar government can take now that would really help move things along, is to agree to the recommendation of its National Academy of Health to allow Madagascar people from the ages of 12 to 18 to take the Pfizer vaccine. That is a very large portion of the population between those ages, and if we can get vaccines into them, they can go to school, they can go out with their friends, they can lead safe lives. They don't have to live in fear anymore of the virus. The United States is a strong supporter of your health sector. We are the largest donor in that sector, and we provide, of course, the assistance with the COVID vaccines and prevention against COVID and also treatment, but also so much more when it comes to combating infectious disease, supporting the health units throughout the country, and helping people in general lead healthy lives. So we are your partners in this great effort to make everyone healthy here, to lead better lives, and certainly we will continue to be your partner as we try and get everyone vaccinated, try and get the economy started again, and have a more prosperous and healthy Madagascar. So thank you, and please go get vaccinated for yourselves, for the health of yourselves, for your family members, and for your communities. Please get vaccinated.